Hey, it's Wormwood, and this is going to be my welcome video for my channel. So, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you've joined me. Up until this point, I have basically done some gaming videos, some giveaways, some build ideas for certain games. Just kind of dabbled in the making videos. At this point, I've been trading for a while, and at this point, I wanted to document some of my ideas. I basically want to make a reference so I can go back and look at my thoughts and what I was thinking, my attitude, the trades I made, to examine my choices so that I can improve, get rid of stuff that wasn't useful to me at the time, and so I can improve on my abilities and my skills and my skill of trading. So that's what these videos are going to be. My trading videos are going to be. I'm going to start adding these to my channel. I thought that they might be useful to you. Maybe you can get some ideas out of them and glean some of them and incorporate some of it maybe into what you do. I hope they find you in good fortune. I wanted to explain to you a little bit about my methodology and thought process as I trade. I trade a little bit different than other people. Everybody has their own thing that they do that works for them. And I just wanted to explain to you my thought process so that you would understand if you watch some of my other videos and I don't explain it completely. I usually I've been trading Microsoft, and I always pretty much trade in these channels. I always put a channel on the chart and trade on in a channel. I don't really use it as support and resistance. What I do is I use it as a way to measure price movement. I consider these channels as time. Uh, the price, is a circle, and this is how I'm squaring the circle. I'm squaring the circle off with the channel. It's kind of like music, how uh, scales on a keyboard, they'll have repeating patterns. Or on a guitar neck, the patterns, they almost wrap around the back of the neck and then come back on the front. It kind of like repeats. They wrap around the neck, it seems like. Well, this is the way I look at trading. We've been buying here and selling here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. Real easy trading, nice trading. I do expect a break of this to the upside. I think we're going to have a little bit of retracement at this point, though. But to explain my methodology, let's drill down on this leg of the run right here and look at it. Look at it in an hourly. We're at the top here, and most people would say that this is a higher high than this. Because I consider these lines time and I'm measuring off of them, it's like if you would measure a tile floor. You need something to pull off of to square the floor up with. If you were building a house and you were building a wall, you would need something to square up. So we're squaring the circle, which is the price right here. We're squaring the circle of the price. The price is a circle, we're squaring it. Most people would consider this a higher high than this. You'll hear me say often that I consider this a lower high than this. The reason being is because, see, it did not make, we have our channel, and see, we've been trading up this channel, right? But we did not make, the price did not make it to the top of our channel here. So I would consider this a lower high than this. Now that doesn't mean it's going to go, the price is going to go down. This is just giving us a reference. I would consider this a lower high than this. We made it to the top. See our little blue line here? We made it to the top of that channel. This would be a lower high than this, and we still moved up. We did a little horizontal retracement back to the bottom of the channel. I consider that's a horizontal retracement through time back to the bottom of the channel, and then we moved up from there, back up, made another higher high because we made it to the top of our channel. But I wouldn't consider this a higher high than this down here, because this made it to the top of our channel. See, the price maintained its strength. This did not. We've had a fallout of our channel. I've closed my position at this point. I closed it out at 283. So that the position is shut out. We fell out the bottom of this channel. Possibly we'll make it back into the channel. It's a possibility. Although this is the way that I trade. This is the way I look at the market. None of this is financial advice. I hope you decide to follow along with me and check some of the videos out. I'm open to your input, your comments and suggestions. This is basically just for my documentation purposes. And anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope you stick around. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe and a comment. I really do appreciate it. And I will talk to you next time. Y'all are beautiful.